Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video 20. We're having a Honda Civic. We're talking about this generation from year 2016 to year 2021. If you have one of those, you need to find where the fuses for the power windows are located. Stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. You have 4 different fuses that you need to check, guys. We'll explain about each one of those. We'll explain where you can buy cheap fuses, relays and parts from. That way you do not waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that, guys, will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. Before we start, guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. On this Honda Civic, guys, we'll be making a video about every single fuse relay, guys, where to find them, why we make these videos. Because, guys, let's say you're in the middle of nowhere and your fuel pump fuse goes out. You have multiple fuses, by the way. By checking the video, in less than a minute or two, you will be able to find out which fuse it is, replace it, get back on the road. Otherwise, you may be stuck in the middle of nowhere. Another thing, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can, guys. All these videos, we have more than 10,000 free repair videos and more than 1.2 million subscribers on our channels. Check it out. We're here to save you money. And if you guys need to buy any special fuses, relays, you by the way have those special multi-box fuses right here, guys, and regular fuses and relays. That's what they look like. Okay, we're going to put the link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays, parts for your Honda Civic at a really good price and quick shipping. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's explain what we have here specifically now. We are going to demonstrate here, guys, on a 2017 Honda Civic. Now, you guys have 2 different fuse boxes. We'll be working just one of them, and that fuse box is on the inside of your Honda Civic. So if you come to the driver's side and you look under the dash, guys, right there on the left side, okay, you're going to find a fuse box, okay, that will look just like this one. That's the layout right here. But before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's important to test fuses and relays now. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here, guys, specifically we'll need to check 4 different fuses for the power windows. And if we zoom in a little bit so I can clearly show you the fuse numbers, you can see here is number 1, number 13, so 1 through 13, 14 through this one is 26, and 27 through 39. The fuse that we need to check, the first fuse is fuse number 14, then you need to check number 15, number 27, number 28. These fuses right here will need to be checked. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.